How to make gluten-free vegan chocolate chip cookies at home. Made easy, because who doesn't want to eat more chocolate chip cookies?
So the first thing we're going to do is add the flaxseed to we have 4 tablespoons of water to make our flaxseed. The flaxseed will be sitting and rehydrating flaxseed.
And that is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed.
We're going to add 2 1/4 cup of gluten-free Bob's bread mill 1-to-1 baking flour.
I'll have the exact things that we use linked in the description.
So now we have 3/4 cup of
granulated sugar.
and we have a cup of brown sugar, formally packed.
Graduated cylinders are great because it has measurements on the outside to make it super easy.
1 cup of vegan chocolate chips. We have the Trader Joe's brand.
But you can also go with some other ones. I'll have links in the video description for alternatives.
And then we're gonna let our flaxseed congeal. You can see how it's gelling.
Let me know in the video description if you want to see a video on how to make vegan egg alternatives.
We have 2 bananas here. We're gonna start with 1 regular sized banana.
We're going to lock it. We're using a KitchenAid. These are great. I really like it. I'll have all the affiliated things that we talked about linked in the video description.
Before we add the next banana, we're going to add the flaxseed to see how moist the dough is. Going to add another banana because the dough still needs a little bit more hydration. Or adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You can use Madagascan or Tahitian vanilla if you want light floral birthday notes or the deep roasted notes. Or you could alternatively use a vanilla bean, which will work equally as well, if not better.
So we have everything in and it's all mixed up. Now we're going to grab a cookie sheet and we're going to preheat the oven to 375 and we're going to get a silicone baking sheet iron also to put on the cookie sheet, so then it's an alternative to parchment paper, so it's more environmentally friendly.
And also that way you don't have to use oil to make it non-stick, to make it vegan healthy chocolate chip gluten-free cookies. Because who doesn't want to eat more chocolate chip cookies?
So, we're gonna go get the cookie sheet.
The size and shape of your cookie dough balls will determine the texture and how quickly they cook. Thus, for most even cooking, make each ball relatively uniform to each other, about the size of a large coffee cupping spoon scoop.
Okay, well, putting the cookies in the oven's preheating. It's 8 to 12 minutes. We're gonna check them in 8.
To see if they're all ready, and if you need to rotate the tray. Take the cookie sheet out of the oven once the cookies are GBD, golden brown and delicious, and let them sit on top of the oven to set up and solidify, and then enjoy. Please like and share because it really does help, and if you like this, check out this gluten-free recipe.